Hello, dear friends. Today, I'll show you powerful Japanese anti-aging secrets that help erase wrinkles and tighten the skin, naturally and affordably. Coconut oil is our star ingredient. It's packed with antioxidants and vitamin E, deeply hydrates, smooths fine lines, and gives your skin a youthful glow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural skincare magic. First recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1/2 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Cocoa is rich in flavonoids and antioxidants. It nourishes, boosts circulation, and restores skin's firmness. Benefit. This creamy mask smooths fine lines, softens dry areas, and restores radiance to aging skin. How to use: apply to clean skin, face, neck, and décolleté. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water, then splash your face with cold water to tighten the pores. Pat dry and apply your moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times per week for glowing results. Friends, let us know in the comments. What city are you watching from? Second recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1/2 teaspoon of shea butter. Shea butter is rich in vitamins A and E. It softens, protects the skin barrier, and deeply moisturizes. Benefit: this rich mask helps fade wrinkles, improves elasticity, and makes the skin smooth and supple. Apply to your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 20 minutes. Wipe off the excess with a warm, damp cloth. No need to rinse completely. Perfect for nighttime use. If you liked this recipe, like the video, leave a comment, and share it with someone who would love it. Third recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar gently exfoliates and balances the skin's pH, helping to reduce pigmentation and tighten pores. This powerful duotones clears dullness and firms up sagging areas. How to use: apply to clean skin, face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Avoid the eye area. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse with cool water and apply a hydrating cream. Use 1 to 2 times a week if your skin is sensitive. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss our next natural beauty secrets. Fourth recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon stimulates blood flow and boosts collagen production, making your skin appear plumper and more youthful. Benefit: this spicy mask revitalizes dull skin, reduces wrinkles, and improves overall tone. How to use: apply a thin layer to your face. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Do a patch test first if you have sensitive skin. Rinse with cool water and apply a hydrating cream. Use once a week for visible results. Fifth recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 few drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E protects the skin from oxidative stress and supports skin regeneration. This nourishing blend heals damaged skin, restores elasticity, and gives a youthful glow. Apply as a night cream. Massage gently into your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 20 minutes. Wipe off the excess with a warm, damp cloth. No need to rinse completely. Leave overnight. Wake up with beautifully soft and rejuvenated skin. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.